Hi friends, before starting this video, I would request you please watch this video till end. If you don't want to watch this video till end, then skip it right now. Otherwise, please watch it till end so that the information which I wanted to share with you will reach to you properly and you would get knowledge. Okay, and I'm hopeful that you would watch this video till end. Today, I will talk about the world, some information about world and its countries. And first of all, I would like to tell you the population of the world. What is the population of the world right now? The population of the world is 7.8 billion. Uh, People are living in the whole world. Once again, I will tell you the population of the world is 7.8 billion. Okay, people are living in the world. Okay, and now come to the countries. How many countries are there in the world? There are 195 countries in the world. How many countries? 195 countries in the world, and out of these countries, 193 are the member of the United Nations. Only two countries are non-member of United Nations, and they are Holy See and State of Palestine. Okay, and now I will tell you about the Muslim countries. And out of these countries, there are 50 Muslim countries in the world. How many Muslim countries in the world? There are 50 Muslim countries in the world. And now I will tell you about the population of the different countries which are bigger in population. The biggest country according to the population is the China, and China population is 1 billion 40 crore and 34 lakh people are living in China. How many people? Once again, 1 billion 40 crore and 34 lakh people living in China. And China is the biggest country according to population in the world. And the second number is India. The second biggest country of the world according to population is India, and India's population is 1 billion 36 crore and 43 lakh people are living in India, and India is second bigger country in the world according to population. On third number there is US, and US population is 32 crore and 99 lakh and 86,000 people are living in US. Okay, and then comes the number of Indonesia. Indonesia population is 26 crore and 96 lakh and 3,000 people living in Indonesia. And then on fifth number, Pakistan, and Pakistan population is 22 crore and 8 lakh and 92,000 people are living in Pakistan, and Pakistan is fifth bigger country according to population in the world. Okay, now let's come and talk about the religion of the world. There are many religions in the world, but the big religions I will discuss. First of all, I talk about Christianity. There are 33% people, those follow the Christian religion, living in this world out of the total population, and their number is 2.3 billion. 2.3 billion people are the follower of Christianity. Okay, and then comes the number of Islam. The believer of Islam are 24% out of total population, and their number is 1.9 billion. 1.9 billion. 1 billion and 90 crores, you can say, people are the followers of Islam. Okay, then the third number is Hindu. Third number are the Hindu, and Hindus population is 1.2 billion. Okay, 1.2 billion Hindus, and Hindus mostly live in India and Nepal. 79% of Indian population are the Hindus, while 81% of Nepalese population are the Hindus. Okay, and now the secular are non-religious people, those who don't believe on any religion. They are 1.1 billion people, and they are 14% of total population. Okay, then the number comes of the Buddhism. Buddhism is also a religion in this world, and there are 506 million people. Those are the believer of Buddhism. How many? 506 million people believes on Buddhism. Okay, 506 million people. Now come towards the continent of the world. There are 7 continents in the world, and their names are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. They are the continent of the world. And what is their population and their land? I will show you with the help of a chart, and please let's come with me and look at this chart. Come with me. You can see the population of Asia 4 billion and something, and Africa 1 billion and something, Europe 74 crore and something, North America 59 crore and something, South America 43 crore and something, and Australia 42 crore and something. And you can see the land square mile ahead also. So this is the population of all continent, and now I will show you the 7th continent. Let's see. This is Antarctica, and this continent has no population. You can see 0, and you can see its land square mile, and actually this continent have no population. Okay. So friends, these were some of information I wanted to share with you, and I'm hopeful that you would get a knowledge from these information, and you will remember this information in your mind, keep in your mind. And if you like this video, please like this video, and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified about our other videos whenever we upload them. And hope you will help us to promote this channel, and please share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.